In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Slack automatically. Linking Google Calendar with Slack is a simple way to keep your workday organized without having to constantly check your calendar manually. Once everything is connected, Slack can automatically update your status when you're in a meeting, send you a helpful morning summary of your schedule, and deliver reminders directly in chat so you stay on top of upcoming events. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Apps section. If you don't see it right away, click More to reveal it. From there, use the search bar and type in Google Calendar so you can find the official integration. When the search results appear, locate the official Google Calendar app and click the Add button. This will take you to the Slack app directory page in your browser. On that page, click Add to Slack to begin the connection process between the two services. Next, Slack will show you a permissions screen. This is where you review what access Slack is requesting for your calendar. Take a moment to read through the permissions so you understand what's being shared, then scroll down and click Allow to continue. And after that, you'll be redirected back to Slack. A direct message conversation with the Google Calendar app should open automatically. Inside that chat, click Connect an Account. A browser window will pop up and ask you to choose the Google account you want to connect. Select the correct account, then click Verify to finish linking it. Once your account is successfully connected, open the Configuration or Settings area for the Google Calendar app in Slack. This is where you can turn on the most useful automation features. Enable automatic status syncing so Slack updates your status whenever a meeting begins. This helps your teammates know when you're busy without you needing to change anything manually. While you're in the settings, turn on the Daily Digest option as well. This lets Slack send you a morning schedule summary at the time you choose, such as early in the workday. It's a great way to quickly review everything you have planned. Finally, go to the notification section to customize meeting reminders. Choose how far in advance you want Slack to notify you before an event starts, such as 1 minute or 5 minutes ahead. After that, the Google Calendar bot will send you direct